From the start here, boys, from the start. Sideline, top the sideline.
Keep him here, boys.
Set the tone, Mustangs!
Let's use it, Mustangs! Let's use it! 1 set here, 1 set!
You said it, Mustangs, set it!
One set, boys!
1 set!
No, you're gonna grow on.
Jazzy, watch this blind, Jazzy.
They can try 2 Mustangs. Score update, Mustangs 4. Pike Central 0. Still with the kick to come.
Dual contact, Charlie.
Great start, bro. That's who setting that pressure. They'll shit themselves there. On the kickoff, bro, yeah.
Good luck.
Nice and calm here, man. What's that sideline?
Thanks, guys. All the best this season, eh? Well done. Thank you very much.
No, you stay there, buddy.
Central remains Mustangs 4. Pike Central 0.
Contact, boys. Line speed first, boys. Line speed.
Set, boys.
Dual contact.
Yeah, big boys, go!
Put a name on it, boys. Put a name on it.
Get up.
Where's the ball? Where's the ball? She's filming. She's on the
He's running!
Push up. Push up with him.
but the yellow shirts come up
Get up there. Let's go, Greg. Settle, boys.
Hoya, settle them down.
Stop. Stop.
Break. Hornets on, Hornets on! Alright boys, let's go. Good, great. Molly, not out.
Oi, hard work here. Hey, boys, good contact right now, eh?
Hey, have a think here, boys, have a think here. Dual contact.
Contact, boys.
Go, bring it up.
Let's go! Get up!
Here it is.
Get up off the line!
Get him, Brandon.
Yes! Reach that! Boys, let's go, discipline!
Not out here, Marley, not out here.
Should have 3, you should have one on either side.
One over there.
Go, Jules.
Yes, shoulders in.
Dual contact. Get up here.
Hey, hit him!
Go, hug him.
Go.
Yes, boys. Nice, Carly.
Up there.
Take little boys, Jules. Yes, that.
Come on. Help. Hooker. Darius. Get it, go. Hooker!
Light speed, boys! Up with the rep!
Good boy, Marley.
Boys, speed, boys, keep it up, keep it up. Turn, boys, turn.
Nice, Brian. Chicken. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, settle, yeah, settle.
Let's go, boys.
Meters. Make sure, Jared, make sure.
Not out.
Brownie, settle, Lake, settle. That's it, nice. Let's go here, settle, Lake. Get to a Hornet.
Boys, up at the ref, where are you going? Come on. With the ref.
Power set. Power, let's go.
Short time, one.
Nice, bro.
Preston.
One more, Nick, watching.
Point Central. Score update. Point Central 4, Mustangs 4.
Check Brownie, check
Still with the kick to come.
Come for a little bit.
Boy, the kid is same manner, yeah? Same manner.
Conversion unsuccessful. 4 remains. Point Central 4, Mustangs 4.
Az, talk to Finn, yeah? Az, talk to Finn, alright? Jazzy, look after Finny. Here's your second row. Darius, on the sidelines.
Yes, that's us.
Let's go, Az.
Get deeper, boys! Get deeper! Chicken!
Go on, Marley. Chase that. Get up here, get up!
Missy, you good?
Missy!
Missy, you good? You want a break? Is that what you saw straight away? Oh, that's
Vinny! Really? Oh, really?
Yep.
He's out there doing his job.
James and Cos and win.
Yeah. We'll let you know.
Sometimes we focus on just the my son got lucky it was only a muscle twist. It wasn't bone crack. No, I've seen one of my daughters, old teammates, we ran a guy at the school. She was her weapon and she tackled the girl and she did it off her bone. And she was screaming. I was like, oh, it's just a tackle. I went, the whole bone was holding out. I was like, oh, you poor thing, from a tackle. Just from a tackle. You were like, oh, yeah, then we have the person myself playing with his learning his one. It's just only a twist to his muscle. But it is still a lot to because I even just use the mouse.
How do you know?
The mouse.
How do you know?
You're not going to believe it, right? You know, when you're going to do it, how about this way? Yeah, because it's a repetitive. Yeah, I'm the one we work with the mouse every day, and I said, you don't understand how much I use the mouse. That's how bad it was. I fractured my elbow on my way back to work. I tripped and I put my hand out. So I went back to work and I was like, and then the next day I couldn't lift it and I was like, oh, I must do something about it. Yeah, fracturing my elbow. 6 because I'm not hand short, so I couldn't do anything. No, my one because I'm so I'm complete quality control. So most of it's just using the mouse and just a screen. And you know the lady was like, oh, I use
On the start point, yeah, let's rip in straight up.
Go, Dylan.
Well, let's go. Head your feet in, boy. That's just false. Right, boy, head your feet in, boy. Let's go.
Let's go, Dylan.
Get up, get up.
Sorry. Get up here, boys, get up here!
Pick it up. Don't pick it up. Pick it up.
Not out here, Jimmy, not out.
Let's go, Jimmy, let's go, Jay! Let's go! Let's go, Jimmy, get onto this.
Not out.
Oh, let's go!
Yeah, dual contact, yeah?
Oh, dual contact, boys! Get up! Dual contact!
Get up, mate, get off the line, get off the line.
Yeah, get up, boys, get up! Dual contact, get up, guys!
Let's go.
Nice, Brady!
Let's go, back it up, Work there. Nice, Brownie. Good boy. That's it. Go home, Brownie, go home. Hooker!
Let's go, man. Forward. Yeah, come here.
one, Jazzy, this one. There you go. Get there, Jimmy.
Let's go, back five. Let's go, Connor. Hornets.
Good boy, miss. Hold him. Up here, get up. Hop him. Nice, Brownie. Let's go here. Keep working. Keep working, boys. Keep working. Let's go. Here he is. Let's go here. He's got the food. What's that? Rolling. Jasper, set the Hornet. Brownie, over you, Brownie. Brownie, hit it, Brownie.
And when I put the fish on, I'd say,
Get on it, boys, get on it!
pound nothing, so it's
Yeah!
Up here. Nice.
So can you send me the footage? Because I'm obviously going to have to go to the hospital.
Up here. Work here. Keep working, boys. Keep working, boys. Let's go. Here he is. Discipline, boys. Let's go. Good contact. Xavier. Hoist. Get up, boys, get up. In!
Just go.
It's half time, buddy. So yeah, so just click, get the other ball and have the two with you.
Get ready for the catch, boys. Got to hit the post.
Very successful. Score update. Mustang 6. Point Central 4. And then it's half time. Just want to give a quick shout out to our top sponsors. Running this building.
We will never be the same. Looking back at the past, all the lessons that I learned. Every fall, every loss was a bridge that I burned. Now I'm stronger, now I'm wiser. Got the fire in my soul. Every step, every breath, getting closer to my goal. Haters gonna hate, but I keep my head high. Eyes on the prize, reaching for the sky. No pain, no gain. It's the anthem of the streets. With the heart of a lion, we will never face defeat. No pain, no gain. We rise above the flames, through the fire, through the rain. We embrace the change. No pain, no gain. We conquer every chain. With the struggle comes the strength. We will never be the same. No pain, no gain. We rise above the flames, through the fire, through the rain. We embrace the change. No pain, no gain. We conquer every chain. With the struggle comes the strength. We will never be the same. Looking back at the past, all the lessons that I learned. Every fall, every loss was a bridge that I burned. Now I'm stronger, now I'm wiser. Got the fire.
Let's go here, boys, from the start, eh? They're Mustangs! Get there, get there, get there. Here he is, here he is. Work there, work there. Here we go, here we go. There he is. Work there, work there. What's that pressure? Let's get a power, eh? Let's get a power. It's a Wednesday, get a power. Let's go, Bookie, let's go, Bookie. Have a crack, Bookie. Push up, Brian, push up. Get up, boys, up. One set! Yeah. Let's go, get up here, get up here. Keep him here, keep him here. Help him. It's 1 out, boys, it's 1 out. One out. Nice, Steve. Oh, hold him, Maya, hold him. Here, kick up, kick up, kick up. Offside. Offside. Oh, oh. Get to a Hornet, eh? Get to a Hornet. Nice, Jazzy, nice. Let's go here.
Mission, get to my side.
Get to a Hornet, get to a Hornet.
Right over the dude.
That's Cookie. Good boy, Cookie. Lost it. We're back. Boys, 1 set here. 1 set. Keep him here.
Boys, we had a full set. Try to hold it next time, boys.
Stars, get some Eno there, eh? Talk to him.
Jasper, get your side up.
Amy's the half. Amy's the half.
Watch your shot, Darius.
Right, right, cut out.
Get on it. You've got to get on it.
And that's a try to Mustangs. Score update, Mustangs 10, Pine Central 4, still with the kick to come.
Oh, that's right. Hey, sun's going to be in your eye here, so I've got to talk. Help the bloke out catching the ball, yeah? Help the bloke out catching it for this kick. Sun's in a shit spot. No, everyone, talk. Ben. Yeah, I breathe, right? Go.
What's your knee got there?
Conversion successful. Score update, Mustangs 12, Pine Central 4.
Let's go, boys. Who wants it?
Let's go, Mustangs.
Get on it.
Get there. Boys, that's 1 out. Get up. Get up now.
Keep them in the corner, boys. Line speed here, boys. Light speed, boys! Get on guys!
Check if he's good, check if he's good. Let's go, Az. Impact, Az, impact.
Defense, Mustangs! Line speed! Number up! Marcus, line!
Jermaine and we need work out of here, so get out.
Get up here! Get down, boys! Here, Brownie, here, Brownie. Nice, Jasper. Get to a Hornet, boys. Get to Friday, eh? Get to Friday and hit the Hornet. Go Brownie, go Brownie. Go with him, miss, go with him. Push up, Charles, push up.
Mark away!
Hey, Charles. Let's go here, let's go here. Here he is, here he is. Wrap that ball, wrap that ball. Let's go here, let's go here.
Oh, Nick! Help him out, boys!
Work there, work there.
Get ready.
Nick.
Hook up!
And then it went under the bloody finger. And I was going to say.
And that's a try to Mustangs. Score update, Mustangs 16, Point Central 4. Still with the kick to come.
Nothing on you, bro. It's not just that you can't get it there running. It's just not today, okay? You're right. That was perfect, mate. That was awesome. Well done. You got us on the front foot. Charlie, you good? Good? Alright, let's go. Let's rip in. Xavier, Isaac, let's finish these tackles, yeah?
Call you, mate. What's you after?
Let's go big back. That's what I was saying to you, bro. That's their only tool. So when you're a bit big, you don't have to in three, yeah, so like off a tap or something when it goes out, we sort of get a bit lost. And we're too kind of, I know, so I'm
Just a reminder, ladies and gentlemen, there is to be no smoking or vaping around the field. We do have a designated smoking area which is located next to the bar.
I'm going first. Who's got second? Let's go. And like, we need to be eager. But yeah, if I'm saying, because I know when we get down here, I'll just calm down, maybe you can calm down. What's that for? The first one. What's that? Yeah, first one.
Oh, there's the ambulance.
Obviously, it's been a bit different. Like the first half too, we had a lot of downtime.
You know what's weird about those bed things that you lay on? Like you can just push them on like into the ambulance and the wheels will
Defending successful. Score update, Mustangs 18, Point Central 4.
Go to center. Push Finn to your wing. Yeah.
Go Mustangs!
Watch the 10.
Isaac, watch it.
Let's go, Leclerc.
Watch the 10.
Let's go, Brownie.
Go.
Isaac!
Let's go, get up here.
You won't even miss it.
Gotta be earlier.
Kick off! Kick off!
Game play, boys, game play.
Kick the miss!
Another one?
Let's use it, boys. Round, boys. Boys, set up. Get set up. 10 minutes. One speed, boys. One speed. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up.
Let's go, Joel!
Here we go. Here he is.
Push up, push up!
And that's a try to Mustangs.
Only 1 minute time.
Score update, Mustangs 22. Point Central 4, still the kick to come.
Yes, from Johnson. Wait, that's like 3.5. 3 meters would be mine. No, that's not 2 meters. That's like 4 or 5. Yeah. No, that's 4. But 1, 2, 3.5. No, in the field.
Owen. Owen.
That's a meter. That's like from the orange scene.
Conversion successful. Score update, Mustangs 24. Point Central 4.
You take like massive because the meter is about this.
Push busy the second row. Cookie, what side were you?
Right side.
Right side. Cookie in the second row. Oh, busy, second row. Second row.
Dean, Isaac, get ready. Yeah, good work, Matty. Beyond the ball.
Watch the gaps, boys.
Let's go, boys. Finish it off, eh?
Early ball. Watch it, Onyx.
Help him. Let's go here, let's go here. Get up, boys.
Yes, Onyx. Nice, Onyx.
Next one, next one. Get up.
And listen, boys,
when this game's over, the referee's blowing it. That's on it, and the all the orange pads, yeah. That'd be great, boys. Thank you.
That's about, yeah.
Let's complete it, boys. Kick off. Brian, kick off.
We're like 2 meters close.
That's it.
TK, drop back, get ready for the kick.
Kick it.
Not out. Xavier, cover here. Stay tense. Hit him! Yeah, that's happening. Shoulders, boys, shoulders!
Come on, mate.
Shoulder! That's better. Technique! Work, let's go. Shoulders in, boys, shoulders! Yeah, nice! Let's go, boys, Marcus, work! Nice speed! Up there!
Come on.
No, they're probably just going
Right! Let's go, Marcus!
My mum told me that when it ran into clouds,
Go with him. What's that? Let's go now.
my mum
Light speed. Let's go.
at least that cloud you just need to go high.
Oh, yeah.
Did you come in?
Going right. Right.
Yeah, I was going to do that. I said, how is it cold on top of the mountain if it was to the session? And he still doesn't know this. No, but the sun.
Get up.
Get up. Because you're not a...
It doesn't make sense to take it to the sun. It's still like thousands of kilometers away.
Number 2 ball.
Yeah, I know, but
Come on, mate. Let's go.
If you step out of the spaceship in space,
The fourth time.
it's the same amount of atmosphere, it's just not as much air.
A minute to go. We're just getting who wants to finish the race? Can I chip and chase? On it,
Get there. On it. Good.
Come on, jog it off. 1 minute, boys.
boys. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Go in and tackle. Were you weak?
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, that's the boy that's in the ambulance. That's
So he's going to have to, like, because it's a penalty, there'll be one more cut.
You'll play yet, not over.
There's one more cut.
He hasn't blown full time yet.
Just tap it and knock it on. Come on. Boys, don't go on the field. Because it's a penalty, he makes you like, no one knows. Wait, what's the chip?
Two good boys. All the best, eh? It's good old time here. Need a fuel card.
Bloody VR.
And a toll card.
Pack one.
You've got to wait, you're going to tap it, and then hopefully they will block it on. Otherwise, it's one tap.
Watch out, Colin.
One last crack, boys!
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got, don't hold it back. I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you,